So it's a little question where I think someone else had that question, like what is the benefit of regulating enzyme? It's like hard to explain without having examples, but in your body, at least or in a cell, an enzyme produces something, it makes a certain molecule. Yeah. And if you already have enough of it, you're not going to want to waste energy to make more.
Oh, that's not what I'm talking about.
And another one like pH. So allosteric inhibitors is a type of mechanism where it can regulate it, turn off the enzymes, or even turning them on. Feedback inhibition, even just Le Chatelier's principle, if you build up one, it's going to decrease the forward reaction if you have built products. And then pH is on there. Probably like pH is just important. So it's important so that way certain enzymes are going to be more effective in certain parts of the body because you don't need to produce the same sort of molecules in your brain as you do in your heart. So it has to be a way to regulate those two things. And then hormones.
So it's like a feedback mechanism saying you have enough, stop, and then
like that, or even hormones, where hormones come and initiate like a phosphorylation cascade where it says, all right, now turn them on.
Okay, that's what I was kind of thinking. It was the cascade part.
The cascade reaction is?
I think a phosphorylation cascade, or is there a specific one?
I think we talked like the big one we talked about was blood clotting cascade.
Well, I know in general a cascade is where, and they usually talk about phosphorylation cascades or kinases, where a molecule phosphorylates another molecule, which will phosphorylate another one, which will phosphorylate another one. And so it's just like a step where it's not like one thing turns on one thing, it's you turn on one molecule, turns on another molecule, which turns on another. That's the generic definition of cascade. And then the purpose behind it is it seems counterproductive, but like one turns on, can turn on 4. Those 4 can turn on 5 more, or like 4 each. So then you increase exponentially of how many enzymes you turn on. Or if it's just one hormone turning on one enzyme, it's not going to be as effective. But I think they tend to be longer lasting.